In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to the TradingView Premium plan, ensuring you get the most out of your trading experience. Whether you're new to TradingView or simply looking to enhance your current plan, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. First, we'll start by accessing the pricing page. Head over to the TradingView website. Once you're there, you'll notice a handy upgrade button. This is your direct path to explore the various plans available. However, if you're like me and prefer to explore a bit more of your account, you can alternatively navigate via the Settings and Billing section found within your account settings. Simply go to the Subscriptions page from there. Either route will guide you to the place where you can explore the plan options. Now that we're on the pricing page, you'll see the different plans TradingView offers. You have options ranging from Basic, which is free, to Essential, Plus, and of course, Premium. The Premium plan packs in the most features designed specifically for those who seek a comprehensive trading tool set. Go ahead and click on the Premium plan to get an overview of what it offers. It's a good idea to check out the features that make this plan stand out, ensuring it aligns with your trading needs. Once you're convinced that the Premium option is the right choice for you, it's time to complete the purchase. On the Premium plan details page, you'll find a Try Free button. Clicking this allows you to dive into a free trial period. This trial is great because it offers a no-risk opportunity to try out the premium features before committing to a subscription. If you decide you're ready and you see an option to pay now, you can proceed with that instead. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You'll need to enter your payment details. Ensure all your information is correct to smoothly complete the purchase. While exploring these options, it's crucial to be mindful of a few important notes. Always avoid scams by buying subscriptions directly from the TradingView website or using their official mobile apps. This ensures security and authenticity. If you're a mobile user, note that you can also purchase subscriptions directly from the TradingView mobile app on your device, providing flexibility in how you choose to upgrade. Moreover, the free trial I mentioned earlier is available for a limited time, so take advantage of that opportunity to explore all the features fully risk-free. By following this guide, you'll upgrade to the TradingView Premium plan confidently, knowing you're making a smart investment in your trading journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy trading!